Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your band battery is draining quickly after installing Notify for Xiaomi. If your band battery is draining quickly, the first thing you should try is, if you have installed any custom watch faces, you should try to use instead a stock one. You could do so by going on your Mi Band and going into settings, here band displays, and just choosing one of the ones that were there before. Whichever one you like, click on it and it's going to set the stock watch face, which could help with the battery draining issue. If that however does not fix your problem, the next thing you could try is to just go into health monitoring apps, settings in device, and then here look at health monitoring. You could try turning them on, but that's going to of course increase the battery draining speed. But you could turn them either all the way off, or for example with heart monitoring, increase the amount of time it takes between the intervals, continuous of course, draining a lot of battery, 1 minute a lot less, 10 minutes even less, but it is going to decrease the frequency at which you get your heart rate monitored. Same with SpO2 or the blood content, the blood oxygen content, as well as all day stress tracking. The next thing you should try doing if your battery is draining quickly would be to try and decrease the vibration usage. For example, if you have vibrations for notifications, you could try going into notifications and turning off the apps that give you a lot of notifications to maybe get rid of the problem from that. Next thing you should try is going into notification settings and maybe even looking around and just checking if you don't have anything bad set in there. You could just try and find if there's you could try going into settings and looking around for settings. Here trying to go into, for example, advanced, and maybe turning off the anti-loss detection, which could use a lot of battery because it would be constantly checking if you are connected with your phone, which could be somewhere in the settings. Either here or in device. I think it's in tools, yes, anti-loss my phone feature. In tools, you could turn it off because it could be using a fair bit of battery. You could also make sure that you are not accidentally constantly running any workouts, because that's also going to drain your battery. And otherwise also look in integrations, because for example throughout the night some integrations like with Sleep as Android, it might be using a fair bit of battery too. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.